This is a piano tutorial for the song I Left My Heart in San Francisco. Tony Bennett sang this way back when. And I'm going to show you the melody first in the right hand. You're going to start on a C, or this is in the key of C, although it does have some interesting chords in it. You start with your thumb on an E note. And then your third finger, you lift it up. You put your third finger on A. And then your thumb's on D still, and you have to go over with your second finger to that C sharp. Fifth finger on that A. Then you got to lift your wrist up to that C note with your fifth finger. And your thumb on E. Fourth finger on that G. And then your second finger is going to be on this F, so you can get yourself up to that note. And that one. Fifth finger, or fourth finger on A. Fifth finger on B. Then you lift your wrist up, put your third finger on that B again. 5 right there. Thumb there, and third finger right there. Thumb right there. Third finger on A. Second finger over again, like that. And lift your thumb up to B. Fourth finger there on E. Fifth finger on that F. Second finger C sharp. Second finger over on D sharp there. Fourth finger on that F. And that's where you end. So some little bit of tricky fingering there, but watch that. Then the chords in the left hand, I'll show those, and some of these are a little bit more advanced, but not that big a deal. That's a C major 7th. It's C, E, G, and B. Then you just move it up. That's a D minor 7th. So this is C major 7, C, E, G, B, D minor 7, D, F, A, C. And then you move it up one more to E minor 7th, E, G, B, D. So pretty easy. Like that. That's an F sharp diminished 7th chord. D sharp, F sharp, A, and C. D minor 7th again, D, F, A, C, which goes to G7, D, F, G, B, D minor 7th again, D, F, A, C, to G7, G, F, D, F, G, B, like that. C major 7th again, C, sharp diminished 7th, C sharp, E, G, A sharp, D minor, D minor 7, D, F, A, C, G7, D, F, G, B, E minor 7, E, G, B, D, so it's that same thing there. There's a B7 chord, which is that what that is? B7. sharp, A, B, D sharp. So it's E minor 7 again, E, F, G, B, D. A minor 7th, E, G, B, A, C, D7, D, F sharp, A, C, D minor 7, D, F, A, C, G7, same thing again, D minor 7, E minor 7, F sharp, diminished 7th there, D sharp, F sharp, A, and C. D minor 7, D, F, A, C, G7, D, F, G, B, D minor 7th again, G7. There's an E7 chord, E, G sharp, B, and D. There's an A7 chord, E, G, A, F sharp, or C sharp. There's a D7 again, D, F sharp, A, C. D minor 7, D, F, A, C. G7. C chord. So some of those chords are a little bit more advanced, but still in the key of C. So work on it hands alone, and when you put it together, this is what it sounds like.